Hello there and welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can set up a production ready instance on premise of the PyDio file sharing solution. So I have been searching for something which allows us to share files in my company, in our company where I'm working, and basically the simplest and cleanest solution that I have found is PyDio, and I would like to share with you how I have done this. So currently I have a machine which is CentOS, and basically this is a machine which has 2 gigs of RAM, 2 CPU, which is not really that big machine. It has some 20 gigs of store, so of course if you want a production ready instance you may want to give it more juice, but for demonstration this should be sufficient. So how do we get started with installing this? First, what we need to do is to decide if we want to use MariaDB or MySQL. This is up to you, whichever is your preference, you can use it. And after that we need to install a database, and I'm going to get to that part pretty soon. So let's open up a new shell and SSH into our CentOS machine. So now if everything goes well and the machine boots up, we should be able to go there. I don't need this tab or this tab. I just need this one. It seems like this commander has died on me. Let me just open up a new one then. Data, git repos, commander. Great. Now we should be able to use SSH to go into our server and finally start with this video. So basically what I would like to do, why